Hello everyone! Today we're going to review the vocabulary of some types of drinks. To begin with, let's specify or define what is a cocktail. While there are many methods and mixology techniques, a cocktail is defined as any mixed alcohol drink of one or more spirits combined with other ingredients such as fruit juice, flavored syrup, or cream. What is an aperitif? Cocktails are also referred to as aperitifs, which is simply an alcoholic drink taken before a meal to stimulate the appetite. It can be considered an appetizer or starter. The bar classic Cosmopolitan Cocktail is an example of a popular aperitif many bar-goers can recognize. We have different types of liquor, so before selecting what mixes you want to keep on hand, it's important to make sure your bar is fully stocked with at least each type of alcohol from the 6 essential base liquors. Having one of each allows you to cater to a range of tastes and create the classic cocktails customers expect to be able to order at your bar. Those 6 bases are vodka, tequila, gin, rum, whiskey, and brandy. Gin. Gin is distilled from neutral grains such as corn, rye, barley, or with the addition of juniper berries and botanicals. The flavor is dry and slightly herbal, and you can use it to make cocktails such as dry martini, gin and tonic, etc. What about rum? Rum is distilled from pure sugar cane or molasses, also known as black treacle. The flavor is sweet, toasted sugar taste that varies by style, and you can use it to do daiquiris, mojitos, piñas coladas, etc. On the other hand, whiskey is distilled from malted grains such as rye, wheat, barley, or corn. The flavor is malted grain taste with roasted oak undertones. Cocktail uses for old-fashioned, Manhattan, and Irish coffee. Then we have my special favorite, vodka. Vodka is distilled from potatoes or neutral grains like rye, corn, and wheat, or potatoes again. The flavor is neutral alcohol or ethanol taste, and you can do screwdrivers or Bloody Marys, among others. Tequila. Tequila is distilled from agave plant, native to hot, arid regions of the Americas. The flavor, it has a semi-sweet, spicy taste, and you can use it to make margaritas or Long Island tea. And finally, we have brandy. Brandy is distilled from mostly grapes, but also apricots, cherries, or peaches. The flavor is sweet, frothy, and you can use it to make brandy sours, sazerac, or sangrias, and whatever your imagination lets you. We also have some other drinks that are non-alcoholic. For example, hot chocolate, coffee, lemonade, iced tea, juice, milkshake, water, tea, milk, soda, and some others that contain several degrees of alcohol, such as beer and wine. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.